the cockerel. Cat was prowling around the stable, feeling famished, having not caught a single rat or mouse all day. She saw a flutter in one corner, pounced and surprised herself by catching Cockerel. Though she knew Though she knew it was wrong, she decided to eat him, but thoughtful she ought to have a reason to do so. You crow most annoyingly in the morning and wake up who hear your racket at dawn, she hissed to Cockerel beneath her paws. Okay. I try to be helpful, alarm all for everyone. How else would you know to get up? Well, Cat replied, searching for another excuse to devour her. You spend far too much time with your hens. If I did not, there would be no egg, no chick to grow into hens or the farmer to eat. Oh, cried Cat, you quibble beneath my paws, yet you are my meal. Already I am vicious creature and will eat you, no matter what you say. So she made him her supper, feathers and all.